Imagine being able to earn money simply by reading on the internet. In today's video, I'll show you and educate you on how to make $200 to $1,000 online just by reading words in this video. To begin with, today's methods are fully free and effective throughout the world. Second, you'll discover all you need to know to get started with the process, including all the necessary details and a step-by-step method, so you can start earning right away after watching this video. You'll also see how much money you can make and how easy it is, and you'll be sad if you close this video without taking advantage of this chance.
This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial.
Now, before I show you the step-by-step method, take a look at this, since it'll show you how much money you can make simply by reading. I'm quite excited since this possibility will allow you to earn a lot of money simply by reading. I'll show you how it works step by step, and you won't need any prior experience, technical knowledge, or qualifications to do it. Consider this: $1,000 for 30 minutes or up to 45 minutes, and we've just calculated that on the higher end. We'll need an hour and 45 minutes, and we'll continue to make $1,000 on the minimal fix. So if we divide $1,000 by 4 to 5 minutes, we can make $22 each minute for an hour, or $1,000. Okay, so first I'd like you to go to voices.com. Once you get to this website, you'll note that they've been featured on Microsoft, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Hulu, Cisco, and the Los Angeles Times. There are numerous large brands and corporations that are unquestionably legitimate, and they will pay out to consumers on a daily basis. We'll receive all payments via PayPal, check, or direct deposit into your bank account, so there are many possibilities and it works in different countries. Basically, these websites will provide me with a variety of assignments from various categories, and I'll show you which ones will pay the most. You can also pick from a number of tasks, which I'll demonstrate. So once you've decided on a project, they'll provide you the screenplay, templates, book, and all the words you'll read word for word, and you'll have to record your voice. They'll pay you based on the project's length. It doesn't matter if you do it for 20 minutes or an hour. The work on these platforms are endless. There are a lot of places where you can do some jumping, but they aren't always reliable. So you might not be making any money today because your other work is so limited. However, there are so many categories and professions to pick from on voices.com that even if you just have 5 minutes a day, 15 or 30 minutes, you can still choose from a range of possibilities and earn all of this money right away by reading. What if I don't have a microphone? Was the second query I heard. Because all you need is a simple earphone. You can use your iPhone, Android phone, record using your voice by speaking on your phone, and you don't have to reveal your identity or face. They'll just use your voice for the ebook, audiobook, television, and the videos, and they'll hire people like you and me to read all of these words and fragments aloud. We don't even need to write anything now. All we have to do is read all of the books and scripts that they provide.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash.
Let's go back to the website, and I'll show you how to sign up, be accepted and verified, as well as how to select the best projects that'll pay you the most money, and how to apply for work and get paid quickly after viewing this video. So first, hover your mouse over the sign up icon on the top right corner of the page. When you select this, you'll have two options: find work as a freelancer or hire for your projects. In this situation, we're gonna look for employment as a freelancer to read those lines out. We'll go with the second option and enter our name, email, address, phone number, and a username. You may put anything you want here. All you have to do now is agree to the terms and conditions and click the continue button. Alternatively, you can use your Google account. After you join up for a free account, your dashboard will display you a selection of jobs such as e-learning, explainer videos, cartoons, audiobooks, digital advertising, and video games. There are several categories to choose from. Right now, I'm going to show you which categories have the most jobs that are ideal for beginners and are working in countries like the United States, India, Nigeria, and the Philippines. People come from all over the world to work on this project. The first category you should choose is audiobooks, the second category is explainer videos, and the third category is video games. Because audiobooks, explainer videos, and video games are the top 3 categories with the most employment and the highest money for the least amount of time committed, I'm gonna focus on them. So for example, we'll choose audiobooks, which will take us to a different website with some examples of people earning money online from all over the world at voices.com. And they're both men and women from various countries. Right now, you can look at the language section and see that they accept people from all over the world who want to read online, like the United Kingdom, North America, and India. And they still want to recruit you, so no matter where you are, they have work for you. They have work in both English and South Africa. You can start reading scripts online at voices.com and get paid based on the number of hours you work. If you want to make extra money, we'll find a job that takes at least 45 minutes and pays you $1,000 for each project you complete. Alright, I'm gonna show you some of the employment alternatives that are available once you join in. As you can see, there are a lot of different vocations to choose from. So let me scroll down. They'll keep refreshing this page every day so you can keep signing in and seeing which ones you like. As previously said, audiobooks are the most popular category on voices.com. After you've finished reading those books, you'll be given all of the scripts and templates. All you have to do now is read them and record them on your phone, and you'll be paid $1,000. They'll tell you who the client is, how old they are, whether they're female or male, and what tasks they expect you to complete. They'll provide you the script for free, and all you have to do is read it aloud to get paid. So this is what it'll look like if you download their apps from the Google Play Store or the App Store for your iPhone. They'll provide you with a script to follow while recording on your phone, and you can choose to record your voice or read them aloud. That's how it manages to make things so simple. This software is accessible on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So the logo should look like this, and you can obtain it for free and start working on it right away at voices.com. They'll show you the client agreements as well as some of the projects you can choose from. As you can see, even if you're from all over the world, there are plenty of job opportunities for you.
Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.